According to dietary advice and nutritional trends, one concept continues to feature prominently: the importance of maintaining a balanced pH level in our bodies. Welcome to the world of alkaline foods, where the promise of vitality and well-being beckons with each bite. But what exactly are alkaline foods, and why should we pay attention to them? Join us as we uncover the secrets of alkaline eating and explore the foods that can help us thrive. The pH puzzle: understanding the alkaline diet. Picture this: your body is a finely tuned machine, with pH levels delicately balanced to ensure optimal functioning. In this intricate dance of acidity and alkalinity, the goal is to maintain a slightly alkaline environment, with a pH range of around 7.35 to 7.45. Enter the alkaline diet, a nutritional approach that emphasizes consuming foods that promote alkalinity in the body, thus supporting overall health and vitality. But why all the fuss about pH? Well, it turns out that our body's pH level plays a crucial role in everything from digestion and immunity to energy production and detoxification. When our pH becomes too acidic, it can disrupt these vital processes, leading to inflammation, fatigue, and a host of other health issues. By focusing on alkaline foods, we can help restore balance to our internal pH and unlock the full potential of our health. The alkaline foods rich in pH. Now that we've set the stage, let's look into the heart of the matter: which foods are alkaline and how can they benefit our health? From leafy greens to luscious fruits, the world of alkaline foods is as diverse as it is delicious. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout foods in the alkaline arsenal. 1. Leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are not only packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants but also boast an alkalizing effect on the body. Incorporating these nutrient-rich greens into your diet can help support detoxification and promote overall well-being. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are not only crunchy and flavorful but also alkaline-forming foods that can help balance acidity in the body. Plus, they're rich in fiber and phytonutrients, making them a powerhouse for digestive health. 3. Citrus fruits. Despite their acidic taste, citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and grapefruits have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can kickstart your metabolism and promote detoxification. 4. Almonds. These crunchy nuts are not only a delicious snack but also a great source of alkaline-forming protein and healthy fats. Enjoy a handful of almonds as a satisfying midday pick-me-up or sprinkle them over salads and oatmeal for an added nutrient boost. 5. Avocado. Creamy, indulgent, and oh so healthy, avocados are rich in alkalizing potassium and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Whether mashed into guacamole or sliced atop toast, avocados are a versatile addition to any alkaline-friendly diet. Navigating the alkaline waters, tips for incorporating alkaline foods into your diet. Now that you're armed with knowledge about alkaline foods, let's talk about how to put that knowledge into action. Incorporating alkaline foods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can start reaping the benefits of alkaline eating in no time. 1. Embrace variety. Don't be afraid to mix things up and experiment with different alkaline foods. Aim to incorporate a diverse array of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and grains into your meals to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients and flavors. 2. Go green. Make leafy greens the star of your plate by incorporating them into salads, smoothies, stir-fries, and soups. Not only are they alkaline-forming, but they're also incredibly nutrient-dense and versatile. 3. Swap it out. Instead of reaching for acidic staples like coffee, soda, and processed foods, opt for alkaline alternatives like herbal tea, coconut water, and whole, unprocessed foods. Small swaps can make a big difference in supporting your body's pH balance. 4. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining proper hydration and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider adding a squeeze of lemon for an extra alkalizing boost. 5. Listen to your body, pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. Everyone's body is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. Trust your instincts and choose foods that nourish and energize you. A pH-perfect path to health and vitality. In a world filled with hyped diets and quick-fix solutions, the alkaline diet stands out as a timeless approach to health and well-being. By focusing on alkaline foods that promote balance and vitality, we can nourish our bodies from the inside out and unlock the full potential of our health. So whether you're sipping on lemon water, eating kale chips, or indulging in a creamy avocado salad, remember that every bite is a step towards greater vitality and well-being. Here's to embracing the power of alkaline foods and thriving in a pH-perfect world. If you found this video enjoyable and the information useful, please subscribe to the channel for similar content in the future.